In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram comment replies. So it's very easy to do. This is when you reply back to a comment that's on your post, but you want to delete your comment, maybe make a new one. It's up to you. So to do that, go ahead and go to Instagram, go ahead and open up and go to your profile at the bottom right corner. So go ahead and choose your comment that you want to delete. I'm going to go on this one here, and I'm going to scroll down to where I see the comment, but I see my reply as well. So what you want to do is go to the three dots that are next to the comments word there. Go ahead and click those and go to manage comments. So from this point, what you want to do is instead of deleting the comment itself, you can go ahead and delete your comment that you made or a reply on a comment that someone else might have made. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to select it. And then what you can do is you can delete the comment. Now, I'm not going to delete it because I want the comment to stay there. But this is how you would go about deleting a reply on a comment. So it could be yours, but it could be someone else's as well. As long as it's on your post, you can really do anything that you want with it. So with that said, I hope this video helps you out. I hope it makes it easier for you to control your comments and to manage them and to get rid of them if you want to. And we'll see you in the next video.